Are you a fan of artificial intelligence? What about weather stations? IoT. Crypto. Decentralized physical infrastructures. Would you like to monetize the weather affordably? Enter SkyX, the Starlink for weather, a dense, decentralized network of weather stations that enables participants to provide and consume weather data that's clean, transparent, highly available, immutable, and monetizable. The team is well experienced in weather data services and AI capabilities, making the project very promising for long-term usage with use cases in agriculture, disaster prevention, highway meteorology, clean energy systems and more. They run a pre-sale for their portable meteorograph, Sky 100, that, as the name suggests, is portable, but can be used as stationary, depending on the user's preferences. It can connect to internet using Wi-Fi, it has Bluetooth capabilities, it includes the USB-C cable, but if you want to use it stationary I recommend getting a larger cable. Sky 100 will measure temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, wind speed, and it has a small LCD screen for readings. A phone app is soon to be released. The price is affordable, in my opinion, but it'll very soon increase. You can use my code in the description to save $10 of your purchase, regardless of the price. Let's buy one. See the whole process, which is very simple. Create an account for yourself first, add your billing and shipping addresses, I already have them set up. Using my referral code, link in the description, will save you $10 of each station you would order, but keep an eye on the shipping cost also. The station's total cost is in US dollars, not USDC, so have a bit more USDC because it fluctuates and it's not exactly one-to-one at the moment of purchase. Lesson I've learned the hard way, trial by error. I use the Polygon network, as the fees are way lower compared with Ethereum, having one Matic would be too much for the transfer to complete. The video is edited, of course, it might be a bit slower when you try it, but it's not something to worry. Blockchains need time to validate and MetaMask is a bit slow, but all should work the same like in my example. I endorse you, please, do your own research before purchasing anything, read the official documentation linked in the description and take your own decisions. Keep in mind, this is a pre-order, shipping expected early Q4 this year, 2024. I'm always looking to new promising projects, consider subscribing, liking, sharing as it will short-circuit the YouTube algorithm, making it show this info to other crypto enthusiasts like ourselves. Thank you. Let's monetize the weather. Cheers.